How to add other story to your own story on Instagram without mention. Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1 2 Step. If you want to add someone else's story to your own story but you haven't been mentioned in that story, then let me show you how you can add it. Now either you can take a screenshot if it is a picture and then add this picture as your story. But however, if it is a video, you will need to download the story using a website. So if this is a video, tap on the arrow on the bottom right and tap on copy link. Now once this link has been copied, you can open up your web browser and then search for Instagram story download. Now you can use any of these websites which are given. For this video, I'm going to use instasave.app, and here you'll need to paste in the link. Now some websites may have the option of pasting in the link, and some websites may ask you to enter in the username of the person that you're trying to download the story of. So it differs from website to website, but for saveinsta.app, you can paste in the link that you just copied and tap on download. And it's going to show you all of the stories that account has added. You can just tap on download video, and this video or this story will be downloaded to your device. And once the story has been downloaded, you can now manually add it as your own on Instagram. So that is the only way of adding in stories to your own without you being mentioned in that story. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.